If your oven isn't working, but the stovetop is, the issue may be due to power problems, wiring issues, or a damaged heating element. To troubleshoot, start by checking the oven's power supply. Ensure it's properly plugged in before proceeding with more complex repairs. While inspecting the power supply, also check the power cord for any damage, such as breaks, frays, or burns, and replace it if necessary. If the power supply and cord appear to be in working order, the next step is to inspect the wiring connected to the heating elements. To do this, unplug the oven, remove the rear access panel, and check the wires connected to the top and bottom elements for any signs of damage, such as bends, breaks, or frays. If damaged wires are found, replace them. Then restore power and test the oven. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the damaged heating element. This involves unplugging the oven, removing the racks, and unthreading the mounting screws that secure the heating elements to the rear panel. Gently pull out the elements, slip out the wire connectors, and inspect the elements for any breaks or cracks. If no visible damage is found, use a multimeter to test for continuity. A reading of around 50 ohms indicates a functioning element, while a lower reading suggests the element needs to be replaced. To replace the element, slip the wire connectors onto the new element and secure it to the back of the oven. Once the repair is complete, restore power and test the oven. Throughout the repair process, it's essential to consult the oven's manual for guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get your oven working again.